Have you ever heard of a place where nomadic communities, historical sites, and trade centers coexist? A place that echoes with the tales of ancient civilizations, a place that has stood the test of time and continues to evolve today? Welcome to Bali-busle Mudug, a region nestled in the heart of Somalia that is a testament to the resilience and diversity of human cultures. Bali-busle Mudug is not just a geographical location, it's a cultural mosaic. A melting pot of ethnic groups, each with its unique traditions and customs. This region, steeped in history and culture, is a living museum, a testament to Somalia's rich and diversified past. From the urban vibrancy of Galkio, the administrative hub, to the tranquil rural landscapes, Balibusle Mudug offers an intriguing blend of the past and the present. But the journey to the present day hasn't always been smooth. Balibusle Mudug has faced its fair share of challenges. Conflicts and political instability have often cast long shadows over this region. Yet, despite these obstacles, Balibusle Mudug has always found a way to endure and evolve. Today, concerted efforts are underway to improve governance and spur development in the region. The aim is to create an environment where the diverse cultures of Balibusle Mudug can flourish, where the nomadic communities can continue their age-old traditions in harmony with the bustling trade centers, and where the historical sites can tell their stories to the world. Balibusle Mudug plays a pivotal role in trade and commerce, especially in livestock and agriculture. The nomadic communities, with their vast herds of livestock, are not only the lifeblood of the local economy, but also a vital link in the larger economic chain of the country. This region, with its historical sites and natural attractions, also holds immense tourism potential. From ancient ruins whispering tales of bygone eras to stunning landscapes that captivate the senses, Balibusle Mudug is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. In summary, Balibusle Mudug is a fascinating region that is a confluence of diverse ethnic groups, nomadic communities, bustling trade centers, and historical sites. It has faced challenges and has emerged stronger, continually adapting and evolving. Today, it stands at the cusp of a new era. An era where it seeks to leverage its cultural heritage and economic potential to chart a new path of growth and prosperity. So, next time when someone asks you about a place where the echoes of the past blend seamlessly with the rhythm of the present, remember Balibusle Mudug, the heart of Somalia, where history, culture, and commerce coexist in a vibrant and dynamic tapestry.